This is the Hello everyone. This is the first session on mathematics, that is CSAT maths. What we are going to do is we'll be just talking about the basics of maths today. In basics of maths, what we will be doing is the number systems. In the number systems, I'll first take up a question and we'll just try to solve that question, and then we'll try to increase the level of difficulty question by question. So it's the number systems. Let me just take the first question. The first question would be, if 4 by 5th of a number is 44, it's given that 4 fifth of a number is 44. So the question is, if 4th fifth of a number is 44, then find out 3/5 of the number. It's basic, simple mathematics. 4/5 of a number is 44. Then find out what is 3/5 of that number. So for that, in order to find 3/5 of a number, you have to find the number. In order to find the number, you have to create a equation. How do we create equation? Is let the number be x. Suppose the number is x. Now what we have here is 4 by 5th of that number x is equal to 44. So based on this equation, 4 by 5th of a number is 44. We can write 4 by 5 of say x is equal to 44. Now we know that we can cancel this. 4 11s are 44. And then in the next step, it will be x by 5 is equal to 11, which can also be written as x equal to 55. So the first part we have found from this equation, 4 by 5th of a number is 44. So the number is 55. Now in the next part, we have to find 3/5 of the number. The second part, we have to write 3/5 of the number x. Now we found out the number is 55. 3/5 of 55, this will be 11 times, is equal to 33. So we had the four options: A 55, B 33, C 22, and D 44. So we have C, B as a 33 as the answer. This is the correct answer. This is the first part. Now let me go to the second question. The second question is little difficult than this one. What it says is, the sum of two numbers is twice the difference. Sum of two numbers is twice their difference. This is the first part of the question. Information is that sum of the two numbers is twice the difference. And if one number is 10, if one number is equal to 10, what is the other number? Find out the other number. Today I'm just writing the question. Next time onwards, I'll just type the questions. We already have the sheet. So sum of the two numbers is twice the difference. And if the number is 10, what is the other number? So let us just understand. If the two numbers are given, so let the number be x and the second number be y. Two numbers are x and y. Sum of the two numbers would be x plus y. And it is given that the sum of the two numbers is equal to 2 times the difference between the two numbers. So the difference is x minus y. So we get the first equation. Sum of the two numbers, that is x plus y, is equal to 2 times the difference, that is 2 times into x minus y. If we remove the brackets, we get x plus y is equal to 2x minus 2y. We further get x equal to 3y. This is the equation. Now in this case, what happens is, already one of the number is given. So suppose if I say y is equal to 10, and if I substitute y equal to 10 in this equation number 1, what I get is x equal to 3 into 10, that is 30. So if one number, that is if y is 10, then x is 30. Now suppose what is given is not y, but suppose if it is, suppose it is x. So if x is equal to 10, then again putting this value in this equation, what we'll get is 10 equal to 3y. Therefore y is equal to 10 by 3. So there are two values. Either y can be 10 by 3 or x can be 30. So if one value is 10, the other value has to be either 30 or it has to be 10 by 3. The answer could be either 10 by 3 or 30. This is the question. Now, this was the basics of mathematics. Now let us take a little tougher question. In this question, what we'll do is we'll try to find it out. Suppose, let's take this question. If the sum of the two digits of a two-digit number is 7. Suppose a two-digit number is there and sum of two digits of a two-digit number is 7. This is the first part. Second is if 9 is added to the number, the digits are reversed. So I'm just explaining you the question. Find the number. So basically, sum of the two digits of a two-digit number is 7. If 9 is added to that number, the digits are exactly reversed. So suppose let the number be x and y. The number be xy. So sum of the two digits is 7. Then x plus y has to be 7. That is first part. Two digit hai xy. The sum of the digits is 7. So x plus y is 7. And if 9 is added to it, the digits are reversed. What does it mean? Now xy is a two-digit number, which can also be written as 10x plus y, because whatever, for example, I'll take it as 21. Suppose xy is 21. We can write it as 10 into 2 plus 1. So where y is this number, this second one's digit, and it is 10's digit. So 10 into 2 plus 1. So we can write it as 10x plus y. Now what it is saying is, if we add 10x plus y, we add 9, what we get is digits are reversed. That is 10x plus y becomes 10y plus x. I'll again repeat. The number was xy, which is equivalent to 10x plus y. If we add 9 to it, it becomes ulta. That is, it becomes yx, which is also equal to 10y plus x. This is what I was trying to say. Now, if we solve it further, we will get 9x minus 9y plus 9 equal to 0, which is also equal to y minus x equal to 9. Y minus x equal to 1. This is how we get. This is one equation. The other equation is already available as x plus y equal to 7. This 1, this is 2. If we solve these simultaneously, what we'll get, suppose we add this, we will get 2y is equal to 8. Hence, y equal to 4. And when y is equal to 4, x will be equal to 3. We can substitute any of the equation. So x is 3, y is 4. This is so the number which we had taken was 3 and 4, 34. That is the first answer. So this was the basics of mathematics which we started with. Maybe next time we'll go to a little tougher question. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.